Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? It's great to meet all of you. And how was your flight? Hopefully, you got a wonderful experience with your flight while on the way over here. Welcome to the wonderful Indonesia, the world's largest island country and the largest economy in Southeast Asia. When you arrive in Indonesia, you may feel stiflingly hot cause the weather in here. Also, you may hear some bizarre language, right? It's because Indonesia have many languages. For welcoming people such as Selamat Datang in Indonesia or other familiar words that used by Muslim as Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Wilujeng Sumping in Sundanese, and Om Swastiastu in Balinese. There are the most familiar welcoming words in Indonesia. It's quite interesting for you, right? But first of all, before we are continue, I think we will have a great communications if we know each other. Because we haven't met before, right? On behalf of my company, Pasundan Tour, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanalistia Firdah. I'm 21 years old. People mostly call me Hana. Hana means flower in Japan. Listia means pretty in Java, and Firda means honest in Indonesia. I will be your guide during this trip. If you need any help and have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me and I will happily to assist you and provide all of your needs. All my time is free talk to you. Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a nation South Asia. It is part of the Malay Island. The official language of Indonesia is Bahasa Indonesia. Other languages widely spoken in Indonesia include Javanese, Balinese, and Sundanese. Indonesia is neighbor are Papua New Guinea, Malaysia, and East Timor, which share land borders with Indonesia. Other nearby countries are Australia to the south, Singapore to the northwest, and Philippines to the northeast. The most important islands of Indonesia are Java, Bali, Borneo, Sulawesi, and Sumatra. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta on Java. The president now is Joko Widodo. Modern Indonesia began on the 17th of August 1945. In the early 21st century, Indonesia was the most populous country in Southeast Asia and the third most populous in the world. Indonesia is blessed with so many different people, cultures, customs, traditions, artworks, foods, animals, plants, landscape, and everything that made it almost like 100 or even 200 countries melted beautifully into one. Every island here is a unique mixture of natural and different cultures of people who live upon it. With such widespread, Indonesia kept many natural resources on land and under the sea is beautiful. No wonder if Indonesia has many wonderful spots, especially in the sector of the beach, due to the geographical positions of Indonesia itself that is located in parts of the equator. Among of the many beaches, there are several beaches in Indonesia are categories as the most beautiful beaches in the world. Indonesia is the country that has extraordinary natural world. In fact, all the world is well-known attractions here. Indonesia has hundreds of national parks that must to visit. One of them is the Komodo National Park. is the sole habit of Komodo in the world. Besides, Indonesia also has a distinctive culinary in each territory. Most people in Indonesia follow Islam, but Indonesia is not an Islamic country by law. Indonesia has the largest Muslim population on earth. Other religions Indonesians follow include Christianity, Protestant, and Roman Catholic, Hinduism, and Buddhism. So, thank you for your all attention.